I'm very proud of the philanthropic culture of the hedge fund industry, and I would argue that's been engendered to some degree because we're typically not that competitive with our competitors. If you look at the real estate business or the private equity business, they're constantly competing over different properties or different businesses they're trying to buy. Well, in the hedge fund industry, I'm happy for my fellow competitors to buy the same stocks that I own, etc. And so this really leads to a much more culture of cooperation, comparing notes than you see in other industries. And I think that set the stage for this culture of philanthropy. I give both Julian Robertson and Paul Jones a great deal of credit. Both of them, over 25 years ago, embarked on different foundations, which each in their own right have become very important and very successful in attacking poverty here in New York City. But I think that really started this culture that you see that is pretty pervasive in the hedge fund industry. To me, it's been a pursuit that's been very rewarding. I've been quite involved at Robinhood over the years, and you really can tell very directly the difference we're making as a group with the support of thousands of New Yorkers. So hedge fund managers in the world of philanthropy have certainly bought an investment mindset and have worked awfully hard to improve the ability to measure outcomes and think about the return on the capital in which they're investing. Now, of course, this takes a lot of work, and there are a lot of judgments that need to be made with regards to the value of different programs and the efficacy of different outcomes. And yet, attempting to do that, I think, has been very beneficial, not just to our own giving, but to others who are giving to similar institutions who can see where we've decided to focus our efforts. In terms of my own personal efforts on the philanthropic front, poverty has really been my primary pursuit. Both the Maverick Capital Foundation and the Robinhood Foundation have that as their #1 goal and objective. And that's just an area that for both my wife and myself has always been critical importance to help our neighbors in need. And again, here in New York, you really do have the ability to see the difference you're making, to meet the people you're impacting, and that's just been very rewarding for us over time.